All right. So what it's gonna do now is gonna take the current meeting and deliver it to both Facebook and YouTube. All right. So let's see. I'm gonna view watch event and also go on YouTube and watch event or watch video. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this and paste it in the chat. So colleagues, you can go and view that live stream. All right, so you'll see we are now streaming on both YouTube and Facebook. Like I said, I'm just gonna disable my mic on this one and go live, and also on Facebook as well. All right, we're already live. All right, so those are the two streaming platforms we are currently on. And now I'm just gonna go to the multi-chat, copy the chat and paste it here. Then you can be able to see those two platforms. I see they're connected. Then I'm just gonna try to say hi on YouTube, and that should be coming in to the multi-chat on this platform. And let me just do the same thing for this one as well. All right, you will see test. I see Mr.
The Facebook stream is not opening.
The first?
The Facebook stream is not opening on my end.
All right, colleagues, I see there's one viewer on Mr. Toko, can you look up, can you see my stream on Facebook?
Yeah, yes, I can see your stream on Facebook.
Okay.
I'm using another person's account here, so yeah.
All right, other colleagues, can you see my, all right, I just copied another one. Can you try maybe that link?
On my end, it's saying this content isn't available right now.
And other colleagues, can you see my stream or not?
I can see your stream on YouTube. I'm trying to check on Facebook.
But Mr. Togo, now you can see my Facebook stream, right? Let me take.
Yes, I'll tell you now. I'll tell you now.
Can you see my comment though?
On Facebook, let me just go there. Yeah. Bonol coming in, yeah.
The comment is not coming through to the list there as well.
Bonolo's comment.
Or it's gonna be on Facebook there.
See, Facebook is not. The comments are not coming in.
Right, I can see
the live stream on Facebook. I'm on Facebook now. I can see it. All right. The other one, my brother, can you still not see it?
For me, it's still saying this content isn't available right now using the link you sent.
I didn't use the link. I just searched your name on Facebook. Oh, then clicked on my profile and yes, and view it from there. Yeah. All right. Just an issue on the chats for Facebook. Yeah. Don't know why is the chat. So is there a difference between a comment and a live chat thingy on Facebook, or you don't know?
I don't think so, because the last time it did work on Facebook as well.
This is something that I'm doing here. Let me just. All right, I think there's some disconnect between Facebook and this one in terms of the chat, because I see it's not really doing it here. I might need to disconnect but usually they will appear here. I think we'll just look at that later on in terms of why is Facebook not sending this comments through to the platform, so that we can see it on the unified chat. But just to also, one other thing that I wanted to show colleagues was the web player. If ever you wanted to, have it on your website, you can. Just gonna disable the audio there. All right, so this is what the web player would look like. So this is outside, what you call it's outside Facebook and those kind of things. It's separate. So if ever you wanted to embed this kind of player into your website, you can be able to do as well. And also, like I had stated, you can enable a lot of things that you need to have. If also you want to enable, live chats, you can be able to do that. So if I go back to the web player, then the users will be able to see the join chat there. Enter name. Okay, seems like it wants password. Should be good in terms of that moderator. All right, so I need to log into this thing. All right, it's about okay, so if I go back here, I can be able to see also my chats from that web player. Yeah, but I think the only issue that we just need to figure out is why was Facebook disconnected in terms of the comments, but we'll just check on that and see, because I think I added 2 accounts of my Facebook that might have caused the issue there. All right, colleagues, is there any questions thus far? So on the website, and I'm just asking to say if you use that functionality, do you get to choose where on the website this would appear, or it will just automatically appear on the website? How does that work? Yeah, so on the website, you choose where you want to paste this code here, this code. So you just go in on the website where you have an HTML page, you just paste the code inside there, then that's where the video will appear. So you get to choose for yourself where you want to appear. Have you done that demonstration? Can you do that?
Sketo, I think that one will need to be done by LIS. So what they usually do is they add in a plugin and add that link on there.
Yeah. So you haven't done. Okay. Yeah. So I would have added it on our website, but we just need to redeploy it now. But I think we. So you can choose, like our website, maybe you have like a another link called stream, and then you can be able to add the video, embed the video there, and then users know that if they go to, let's say, illusionco/live, they can be able to see any streams that are going on live there. I see. All right. So I'm just gonna, colleagues, show you the process of Instagram. It's unfortunate that we couldn't get a user that has a content creator account, but the process, it's similar. I'm gonna do it on Facebook, not on Instagram, because I don't really have that account that can go live. Remember, I don't have 1,000 followers, and my account is not content creator account. But as you can see in this video, what you just need to do is you click the live video button, then you give it a name, and then from a name you then click next. Then you will see that Instagram will give you those two things. It will give you a stream URL and it will give you a stream key. In this case, this user here hit those two values. But we're gonna do the same process, but then just do it for Facebook. It works the same. Even on YouTube, it's still the same. So if ever you don't want to connect your social account, you can do it this way. But Instagram does not allow you to connect your Instagram account to any platform. Whether it's this platform, it's another of other platforms, it does not allow. Same thing as TikTok, you always have to do it this way because they have their own live studio software going on, right? So you'll see he clicked create, he clicked live video, then he went to choose the name of the stream, then click next, and then he received these two things, the stream URL and the stream key, right? Same thing goes for Facebook. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my Facebook account, right? I'm gonna go home, then I'm gonna click this live button here. It's gonna take me to this, and it's gonna ask me, okay, you wanna go live or you wanna create an event? Right, I'm gonna go live now, right? So I'm gonna click set up live video. Now, once I click that, it's gonna take me to a page where I can be able to set up, things like the title and those kind of things. So what will happen is that you will go there and then you will choose who can see and when you want to go live, which is now, and also it's gonna ask me to add what the description of this stream. So I'm gonna just call it RTMP stream test, right? And then I'm gonna add a description if need be. So I'm just gonna say no description. Then I'm gonna click save, right? So now there's two ways you can go live on Facebook. Either you go through a webcam, of which like we're doing now, or you can go through a streaming software, right? So this is what we need. So if you go down, you will see it gives you a stream key. If you click advanced settings here, it's gonna give you the stream URL. So same thing that what's that video of Same thing here. It gives you the stream URL and the stream key. So in Facebook, it does the same thing, gives us the stream URL and gives us the stream key. So I'm going to copy the stream URL, and then I'm going to go back to the platform, and then I'll go to live control and click add destination. Now, instead of adding Instagram or whichever we need, we're going to go to RTMP decoder. RTMP decoder. Then RTMP decoder is going to ask us to specify the stream URL. So I'm going to go to Facebook. In this case, it will be Instagram. In your case, you copy the stream URL, then you paste it there. Then you go again to Facebook. You can copy the stream key. Copy the stream key, then you paste it there. All right. Then you can save the destination for this, and then you click save. So then that decoder will be added into your platforms for streaming. So I'm just gonna go there and then click rename. I'm going to rename it to Facebook RTMP stream, so that it's a bit distinct. It's not currently with the current stream. So I'm gonna rename that. Now it's already set up on Facebook. You will see that it's waiting for me to connect my live streaming software to go live, right? So I'm going to go back to the platform. Then let's give it a second for it to come through. Enabled. Okay, it's going. All right, so while we wait for Facebook to accept the incoming connection, so this is what you would do normally on Instagram, since we cannot, automatically link it the way that we actually linked this one here. I think it might not want me to stream on Facebook 2 times on the 2 different platforms. So let me just disconnect. Let me just disconnect this one there. Oh, that's taking some while. I don't know whether it's my network or what. Oh, the other thing, I think one of the questions that was asked in the previous meeting, the network speed does have influence. So you prefer that the person that's streaming the meeting from the platform to these other platforms has adequate, connection speed, so that there is no delay in terms of, the stream itself and also the platform that you're streaming on. Okay, I think my network is fine.
By adequate speed, what is the minimum required?
I think anything above 10, above 10 in terms of the upload speed, I think that would be sufficient.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'm not sure in terms of a department what is the minimum that they have, but I know that if you are using maybe LTE, you might go up to 100 or 50, like I have here. But yeah. Okay, so now we have connected. Now it's receiving the stream from RTMP, broadcasting it to Facebook. So now if you go, now it enables the button for you to go live, right? So now if I click the go live button, it's going to take the current stream and paste it on my Facebook wall. All right, so I'm gonna then I want to share the stream now. Still taking it through. You are now live. Now, the benefit of this, remember, Facebook has their own platform as well. So the benefit of this is if ever you want to stream straight to Facebook, you can do it this way. That way you have controls over Facebook, things like insights, which friends saw the stream, and this other interactivity that you might have. So this will work basically if ever you want to, have the Facebook experience, or because I know TikTok has their own streaming studio where it provides you with those lot of features. And then you can be able to, let me just see if I can share this one. Distribution. Hey, Mr. Zawa, can you maybe go on my profile and copy the URL and paste it in the chat? Because I don't see the share button now. All right, so you can ask things like voting and those kind of stuff, which is, if ever you prefer it that way, it might work. Okay, I don't know. Okay, share the link. Okay. All right, Mr. Zogo did share the URL. If I click it, I'm gonna go to my another browser where I'm not logged in. All right. Colleagues, I'm not sure if you can see the second stream. I see there's 3 viewers there.
Yeah, we can see the screen.
I comment. All right. So the difference between the social networks.
Sorry, sir?
Yes, we can see this.
Did you disable the comments? I'm trying to comment on Facebook. It doesn't allow me.
I just commented myself. Mr. Zogo, can you also comment on your side?
Yeah, just comment now.
On my site, it says Savata limited to who can comment on this post. That's what I'm getting.
Is it not the previous? Remember, this is the second stream. It's separate from the previous one that we had. Are you still on the same link, or are you on the new link?
I'm using the link that is provided on Teams.
By Tseko or by myself?
Wait, let me go back. Where's Team? By Tseko.
Well, he can comment. Is there anyone else who cannot comment? Maybe.
Yeah, I think it's the Facebook security settings that does not allow people who are not his friends to comment.
Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe there's a setting somewhere that we need to enable.
Yeah, it's on Facebook then. So I think if you allow everyone to comment on your Facebook, then we'll be able to.
Yeah, let me see if I can get that. It's a setting that we need to enable. Yeah, you'll forgive me, colleagues. I'm not really a Facebook streamer, so I'm not, well versed in terms of where the settings for Facebook is.
It's usually on privacy, somewhere down there, where you disable who can and not view your profile. But it's fine. I think those are minor settings that you might not have to stress yourself with now.
Yeah, I think also because this is a personal account. If ever it was a public, like the department has, those settings are on by default. Because this one might be personal, might be limiting me. All right, but I think those ones we can just solve later. I'll try also to find settings where I can be able to enable that a bit later on. I don't really want to waste colleagues' time on such a small thingy. All right. Colleagues, I think we have covered both. So the reason why I was doing this RTMP was to show colleagues how it's going to happen when we try to stream to Instagram. But mind you that the issue of the number of users might be a factor as well if you don't see that live video button. Yeah. So yeah, I think even on YouTube as well, it's the same story. If you do it that way, it might it will still work. It still enables you to stream via RTMP. But the easiest thing that you can do is just connect to the Facebook and the YouTube account and be able to stream from there. All right, are we then covered in terms of how to stream?
Very good, Ray. Yeah, we are.
Good. All right, so now we need to end the stream. It's the same process. You go to customize streaming. You will see there's a stop streaming button. So once you click that button, it's going to enable you